Well, it's now Saturday morning. High of plus 30 something today, so I think 34, hard to say, but so the old man dropped off some of this fabric here to go underneath the garage slash said shed project. So yeah, we had that stuff for well over 10 years. We used it on his garage. This is just a leftover row we got, but just kind of going through some stuff. I need to get that shade zone set up, but they just stopped by for like an hour last night. Not too big of a deal. A little bit more warning would be nice, but because I wanted to dig these poles, you can see there, I went and got the 4x4 pressure treated greens that I needed for this zone, and he also brought some other random junk that I had sitting there, so which I don't know why he brought some of it, but yeah, that steel frame that the packer came in, I might be able to use that as a barbecue stand. I have no clue. But project for today is put in some poles around here. I'll probably be going out a bit farther, leaving room for more sidewalk blocks. I might just use the cedar for now. But as you guys can see, the power comes this way, straight to the pole. So there used to be a trench through here, so somewhere around here, there, I'm going to hit the wire. So idea is not to go very deep with them and to cement them in the ground, at least for those ones. Pretty sure I'll be safe here, but I'm still going to be digging them only by hand. And then, of course, there's going to be one going underground to the house somewhere. And, of course, my surveillance cables. So, surveillance cable should be right about here. So, no matter where the poles go, cement is going to be best. And I'm also just tempted to pour a cement pad here, but I don't know. I don't have a cement mixer out here yet, other than just doing it in a bucket. But I'll see. Thinking of just using some tires and making a cement roller, hand roller. Not too sure yet. Well, good thing for very soft ground. That hole there took less than 3 minutes. The idea is this pole is going to come out right beside this guy. So it'll come out right about here, I'm guessing. And then I'll just join a piece of board underneath this to it to hold it level. And there's no supports on this end of the roof, and it hasn't been flexing or anything. You better not have a nest in there, you little birdie. They probably do. I mean, I took down so many up in here, and they keep on coming in. Oh, it's right there. Oh. The same spot. That's like 6 times. If they have eggs in it, that's when it gets to... Oh, there was no nest up there. They were just hanging out. Yeah, I don't see anything up there yet. I mean, like, go find another spot. Like, why are you sitting up there? Your eggs would have already... Like, I look back on my Facebook feeds, and, oh, that could have been bad. Facebook feeds, and they already had babies, and they're already starting to grow feathers and everything. So why they're trying to look, maybe a second batch. So, but start with that pole and then continue. Right now it's only about 29 outside, so it's actually not that hot just yet. Well, getting a little bit of shade here. Yeah, just had some cloud cover, but that's the mark that I'm going into the ground up to. So that leaves exactly 5 feet out of the ground, so it's not too bad. So yeah, should be good. And they got lots more to go. And this one I dug very carefully with the shovel only. So it only takes about 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes if I'm hitting tough stuff with the shovel, so it's pretty good. Well, I'm not going any deeper, just hit a flag. You know what that means? It's underneath there soon. So that's as deep as this one's going. Well, for the crappy tin I had, it's going to work. I still need to put a post across them, or a pole across them, I mean, but it's not bad. This side here, of course, the ground's a different height, so yeah. I mean, that doesn't look the nicest there. Again, used recycled tin, so I ran out of hardware to screw it down because, of course, wind. But I'm just going to nut and bolt these pieces together because there's no pole here. And we're going to run a 2x6 on the inside across the top and go from there.
Nothing.
But I mean, hey, for a recycled tin I had lying around, it makes a great temporary structure to block out some wind. And this panel is just destroyed, that's why we didn't use it. But there we go, a little bit of shade in the morning and a little bit at night. Yeah, this looks like one hell of a storm we're going to get. Look at that cloud. Look how low the clouds are. Like, check out over there. But anyway, I just gotta wait. I'm running in the city to go to work, and I also have to get some more sheet metal screws, and I'm also thinking I'll bring out some rivets, use them to hold those panels together. Sheet metal screws that I use are not really the best for going inside wood, so I'm going to actually get some proper screws. But I know it doesn't look the best, but that's what I have to work with. The idea is just to be kind of like a sunblock in the morning, give a little bit more privacy to the backyard, and just go from there. Somewhere to set up a barbecue, whatever else. But I know these videos have been pretty boring lately, but again, nothing else is really going on. I'm waiting for the permit for my shop. That's going to take some time, but other than that, that's it. Now it's getting pretty dark. Yeah, you can't see the end of it there, but holy. Yeah, I'll be surprised if those panels stay up. The lightning is freaking amazing, but I don't think I'll see any of that. Ooh, look where I started my camera. So, there's the end of the storm, where it's heading, but I better not be recording, because, you know, it's not really proper to be doing it when you're driving. Wow. I literally just turned off the camera, and now you can see my headlights. Do you see the headlights? Yeah, this is crazy. This is going to be a hell of a... Ooh, I don't know if I caught that lightning there, but yeah, it's going to be a good storm. But I can actually see my headlights. That's how dark it just got. Camera's making it look bright, but this is about as dark as it... Like, this is pretty damn dark outside. Well, we just hit about probably close to 50-kilometer-an-hour winds. Very dark out right now. And do you guys see how fast that little cloud is moving above me? Can you guys see that? And it's just starting to rain. Oh yeah. It's going to be a good one. The radio just said there's quarter-size hail up ahead. Well, I already got about $3,000 worth of hail damage on this truck that I never bothered getting fixed, but it's not too bad. You guys can see I'm right in the center of it now. About 25 cars already were pulled over. I'm not exactly sure why. Oh, here's another one. But yeah, sounds like it's going to start hitting pretty good, but at the same time, this thick shit I might be out of in a few minutes. So wow, that cloud right there is just cruising. You guys can't really tell on camera, but it is cruising pretty fast, and wow, is it getting windy, so I'm shutting this off. And just thought I'd try to get a glimpse of this here. You guys see behind me? Not sure how well that showed up, but that is freaking crazy, and it's windy as... Well, it just cleared up in the city, but wow. I think my dad has a little bit more damage on his roof. Can you see that? Yeah. That's pieces of shingle all over the deck there. Fun, fun, fun.